Hi everyone, welcome to Mrs. Diva, welcome to the Facebook page of Mrs. Diva, YouTube channel of Mrs. Diva, and now TikTok channel of Mrs. Diva as well. So guys, yes, you know my name is Astha Jain and I bring for you a lot of business growth tips, marketing ideas, work from home ideas, home business ideas, and topics related to your business entrepreneurship. So, guys, I wanted to talk to you about a very important topic today. A lot of you have been taking business coaching from me, and you understand that I am not an expert in MLMs, multi-level marketings, but still I keep getting a lot of questions, which I'm totally okay with. But there is one thing that I really want to mention over here, which is guys, whenever you approach for your business, for to pitch your business to anybody, now this could be any business, any MLM, any other business also, if you are into products or if you are offering any services, that it is completely fine to approach a total stranger. And I'm saying this from my own experience, that few ladies who are new to the group have approached me, and I really welcome that with open arms. And I really want to there is one thing that I really want to put across over here is introduction. Guys, it is very important to introduce yourself. It could be anything, any business, anything, but introduce yourself properly to the other person. If you're talking someone for the first time, you don't know what they are doing, who they are, you just connect with them and tell them, I have a plan for you. That is I guess probably the worst way to introduce yourself. You have not even put across who you are. At least introduce yourself, at least tell about yourself. Tell them that my name is this and I am into this business and I have been in with this company for this long. Can I know a little bit more about you? Would you be interested in listening to me? So there is a way to introduce yourself. You just message someone and tell them that I have a plan and do you want to earn lakhs and lakhs? That's not the way to do it, guys. Even if someone who would want to be associated with you, it is a very they'll take a step back. It's not welcoming to just open the dialogue by saying that, do you want to join this company? That sounds so rude, that sounds so unprofessional. All of you know that I respect all businesses, and I have helped a lot of people who are not into mainstream businesses and who are doing different businesses. But the basic principle of any business, guys, remains the same. Introduce yourself properly to the person who you are approaching for the first time. If it is your friend, it is totally understandable. If you have been introduced by someone else already to that new person, then also it's fine. But if you are if you are pitching to a total stranger, at least give your introduction, ask about them, find out if they want to do if they are interested in what you are saying or not. Because